checkout for the CS600 system. This is what the unit looks like when you power it up. We're going to go to a full test, which is the top left option. The system will go through some automated checks, and then once it comes to something that needs to be addressed, it will tell you in blue. We're going to switch from vent to bag. The unit's going to ask you to open the patient wide. There's a graphic showing that. Just going to remove this. Patient Y is open. Just going to hang this on the circuit hook. Hit confirm. It's going to run an automated test, testing the back-end system and internally the valves and electrical checks and whatnot. Once that's done, it's going to continue. The full checkout will take between 4 and 5 minutes, depending on the options being selected and I guess the user's familiarity with the system. All right. So it says now we have to include the Y. Take this guy, we're going to include it on the bottom here, or the side. Make sure that's tight. Hit confirm. All right, we're going to test the vaporizers now. So we only have one vaporizer on this unit, so we're going to select the left, make sure that's highlighted like so, hit confirm. It's going to say turn Tech 7, or in this case an 850 to 1%. Do that, you just squeeze the knob, turn it to where the line lines up to 1% like so, and hit confirm. It says as it tests the system and the vaporizers for leaks. Make sure that your knob is turned tight to make sure that the system's not going to have any leaks from the filler cap. Now the test is complete. It's going to tell you to turn the vaporizer back to 0. Hit confirm. The system is pressurizing the bellows at this point, making sure that the volume that's being delivered is being correctly recorded, and that the pressure that's given is being recorded correctly. Okay, now it's asking you to turn the nitrous to 6 liters or higher. On this particular system, we only have nitrous and O2 enabled, so air is not being tested. So we're going to turn the nitrous up to 6 liters, and we'll see our volume changing down here, our flow changing down here. The O2, you'll notice, is also changing, so that you're not going to allow for a hypoxic mixture. Now it says to turn off the O2 flow. I apologize, not the nitrous. And the nitrous will drop also. So now it says switch between bag and vent. We're almost finished. Switch between vent to bag. Now it says set the APL between 30 and 70. So we're setting the APL between 30 and 70 to finish the last part of the test. This is also the circuit leak test, which you would perform in between cases to test your circuit, your soda absorb, your sample line, and your patient bag. So it's set between 30 and 70, hit confirm. And what this does is increase the pressure of the bag on port. And that tests the diagram hose. And you'll see the pressure wave climbing, and it's delivering a set volume and looking for a set pressure to hold over time to make sure there's no leaks, or the leak that is, if any leak is there, it's well within the threshold. Right, so that's good. So it says here, open patient Y, hit confirm. And now it just says to do the full check, make sure that your O2 flush works, your sample line is connected to your gas module, and that everything else is good to go, and you have suction. Thanks a bunch.